What's up, fellow movie collectors? This here is going to be a video with my Disney VHS masterpiece collection. Not sure exactly which all belong in a master collection, but I'll be doing two videos of what I could find on Disney movies. So the first one here is Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs, Pinocchio, Fantasia, Dumbo, Bambi, The Three Caballeros, Fun and Fancy Free, So Dear to My Heart, The Adventures of Ichabod and Mr. Toad, Cinderella, Alice in Wonderland, Peter Pan, Lady and the Tramp, Sleeping Beauty, 101 Dalmatian, The Sword and Stone, The Jungle Book, Aristocats, Robin Hood, The Many Adventures of Winnie the Pooh, The Rescuers, and The Fox and the Hound. And I'll do a second separate video of the next show. Thanks for watching.